Welcome back, nail queens. So today I'm going to show you guys the M349 stamping plate from Maniology. It's the perfect Easter stamping plate. It's got all things bunnies, eggs, these beautiful flowers down here, speckled eggs, more rabbits, just all the things you can think of, even more flowers. And if you want to do like really cool egg designs, they come in different styles. So this stamping plate came in a bundle, and it came with a matching scraper card and a stamper. So here's the stamper, the spring limited edition ice cube stamper. Everything is available individually from what I can tell right now. So here's what it looks like unpacked. It matches the whole theme. I really love the flowers on top of it. I loved the clear jelly stampers from Maniology. And then here is the matching scraper card that matches identically to the clear jelly stamper. And I'll show them side by side right here so that you can see how they match. I think it's really cute that they do these themed things that match together. The bundle also came with these 3 stamping polishes. So it's Flourish, Awaken, and Blossom. You've got a purple, a blue purple, and a nice like light purpley pink. They go really, really well together, so I really think these are gorgeous colors to go with this stamping plate. And if you guys want inspiration on how to use this stamping plate, I'll link the stamping plate below, and you can see other people's manis on the website as well. So I'm prepping my nail tips here so that I can start stamping on them. What I do is I'm pulling out some of the stamping polishes that came in this kit, but I'm also pulling out some other ones that I had, like Mint and Dolldance. I think these are going to go really, really well together. I like that they're all kind of like pastel-y. So you can use stamping polishes like full coverage nail polish. Just keep in mind that they do dry really, really fast, so you may have to move faster than you would with a standard nail polish to apply these in thin, even coats. And to be fully transparent, when filming this part, I actually already used the stamping plate. I did a whole mani design and I didn't love how it turned out, so I ended up redoing it. So the part I'm at here is me redoing everything. So I applied those colors to all of these nails and I let them air dry. I think I did 2 coats of stamping polish on all of them. And now that the polish is completely dry, I have to apply a layer of sticky base coat. I should really buy another bottle soon. I apply a layer of sticky base coat on top of the dried polish. The reason for doing this is so that the stamped design will transfer really easily onto this dry polish. Stamped designs don't transfer really easily to completely dry surfaces, so I find the sticky base coat to be an essential product in my stamping arsenal of tools. I'm also using this straight up black. It's from when their branding was BMC. I've had this bottle forever. It's probably time to buy another one of these as well. I'll probably pick it up on my next Maniology haul. So I'm doing a speckled egg design, like a robin's egg design on all of them. So I'm going to walk you guys through that in a minute on how I do that, since I'm doing it on all 5 nails. But I want to show you guys what the first one looks like before I do a whole instructional talk through. Alright, so I've already stamped the design. I'm just putting little extra dots here and there just to fill in the empty spaces, because this is the largest nail here and the design didn't completely cover the edges. So I'm just stamping here and there. I know, super boring. So now it's time to clean off my plate. So I take a paper towel and 100% pure acetone, and I just wipe that off. And I wipe off my scraper card of any excess stamping polish that might be on it. And I start the process over again with the black stamping polish over 2/3 or 1/3 of the design. Scrape firmly. And then I take my clear jelly stamper, the cube one, and just roll it onto the design, and it picks it up perfectly. I like using my scraper card to remove any excess that is on the pattern on the stamper that shouldn't end up transferring to my nails. And then I just gently press everything onto the nail. And for those who don't know, I love making press-on nails. It's like my favorite thing ever. Lately, and like over the last 7-8 months, I've been doing press-on nails nonstop. So that's why I'm doing them on nail tips. I'm doing the designs on the tips, and then I either use sticky tabs or some kind of glue, and I glue them onto my nails. And just a life pro tip, like while I'm stamping this design, if you are stamping, I highly recommend using a paper towel or some kind of protective surface underneath your stamping plates like this, because you will be using acetone and the stamping polish, and you don't want this to get on your beautiful working surface if you have wood or any kind of like beautiful marble and stuff like that. And I briefly want to talk about like my previous design, the one that I had done before this, and ended up like chucking the whole design. I think it turned out great, but it wasn't the vision I wanted. So, and it was very, very complicated. I feel like I overcomplicated the whole thing. So I didn't feel confident like posting that video. So I gave myself about a week break, and then I came back to it and I was like, you know what? I want to do like a whole robin's eggs design. Oh, hey, you guys can see my headphones. I was listening to music here. So you can see my cat ear headphones in the reflection. A little awkward, but what do you guys do when you guys are doing your nail designs? Do you guys watch YouTube videos? Do you watch Netflix or some kind of TV show? Listen to music? What gets you in the mood and get you going to do your nail art and get in that zone? So I'm finishing up the design and cleaning off the entire stamping plate. If for some reason your stamping plate ends up foggy after you wipe it with acetone, wipe it down with rubbing alcohol and it'll clear up and be nice and shiny like if it was brand new again. So here is the design. I love how it all turned out. I know it's super duper simple, but there's just something about a simple design, but just a change in color that I really, really love. And now that I'm done stamping and everything has air dried, I'm actually taking a gel top coat and I'm covering all this with a gel top coat. What I do love about the gel top coats that I use is they don't seem to smear the stamping design, which is a huge plus. But if you don't want to use gel products, I highly recommend checking out the smudge-free top coat that Maniology sells, and I'll link that down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out, for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!